Let's look into this list of items. It has only 4 items and it looks very chaotic and hard to follow. The contents of the rows are heavily misaligned, and the more items in this list, the harder it will be to look into it. Let's fix it. The list item composable is pretty simple. It consists of a row that has an async image on the left and a column with some texts on the right. I've added a red background to the async image to make it easier to work with in the preview. And for the same reason, I'll add gray background to the column that contains the text. An important business-wise request from the client about this list was the count of the items being shown at the top of the list. The first 6 spots are being paid, so we must present full 6 items when the list gets loaded. To achieve this, I'm going to utilize the BoxWithContraints composable. It provides to me the available height that I can use to calculate the height of each and every row. Then I'll wrap the lazy column composable inside the BoxWithContraints, and I'll apply the calculated height to the list items through the modifier. Back to the list item composable, instead of having a hard-coded height, which is not the best practice anyway, I'll let the async image composable take the whole height available. In the preview, we can see the async image composable taking the whole available width of the row. I will apply an aspect ratio to make it a square. While there, I'll also expand the width of the column, holding the texts until the end, and remove the content scale value completely. At this point, a quick double check in the emulator proves that we are on the right track. Now we can also remove the gray background of the column that holds the texts, as well as the red background for the async image. Lastly, I'll apply a proper content description for the async image, although it would be best if I leave that to the row level and have the whole row merge the semantics for its children. Lastly, we will read the count of the rows from the resources rather than having the value hard-coded. If you find this interesting, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!